Yung Intel po is a worldwide organization, corporation that makes chips. And these chips go into all these devices, kaya Intel inside. But they also have what they call a corporate social responsibility program. This means their way, because they make so much profit to give back to the community and to the world, they have these programs. And what is the program that we're sharing with you? Before that, this is the face of Intel Philippines. Siya si Yvonne Garcia Flores. So pag sa Pilipinas, kasi it's in over 70 countries worldwide, pagdating sa CSR ng Intel sa Philippines, siya po ang maharap. She couldn't be with us right now because she has an appointment, another seminar in Manila. So she sent myself, Shin, and Aya, okay, of the Intel Teach team. Alright, what are we offering? We're offering something from the Intel Education Initiative. Madaming programa po yan. May programa for science, technology, education, and mathematics. Meron din program specifically for teachers called the Intel Teach program. This has been in the Philippines since 2000, and we have over 1,000 schools involved, both pre-service and in-service. Okay, sir, familiar kayo? Intel Teach, thank you. And then we have over 120,000 teachers already actively participating in this. Alright, these are the courses that are currently being offered. Training courses ito, teacher professional development. Yung skills for success, specifically for ICT teachers. Yung getting started, para sa content area teachers na nagsisimula pa lang. Basic literacy yan plus 21st century courses. Okay, I'm sorry if I'm going fast because I know you have a busy day. We're going to be around for the next 2 days, and if you want to come up to us at any point in time to talk some more about this, please do so. Alright, and we are here pala, by the way, because we were invited, thank you very much, by BSE, dahil nga, ang intention ng BSE is after your training, makahanap pa rin kayo ng support. Hindi yung tipong pagkatas nito, you're on your own, diba? So, para may continuing support po kayo. Okay, hey, teka, ba't natin? And then we have the elements courses, and then yung essentials courses. Yung essentials courses, the full suite na makakagawa na kayo ng lesson plan na may technology integration. Okay, thank you. Why are we doing this? Because nga, we were thinking you might be interested in support. So if you are interested in support, we are offering you the following options. Option 1, inclusion in the Intel Teach Engage community. Pwede kayong sumali dyan. I will talk about it in a while, what it is exactly. And then, we are offering you also use of the Intel Adobe Connect webinar platform. Number 3, participation in the Intel Teach Elements Facilitated Online Training 2013. All of these are free. Okay? Free. Absolutely free. You can pick one. You're not required, actually. You can pick 1 or 2 or 3, etc. These are all free options. Your choice. Okay, now we're going to talk about the Intel Engage. Tama ba? Yeah, okay. Ano ba itong Intel Engage? Ito ay isang, it's like a Facebook site, but specifically for teachers all over the world. And then instead of sharing personal stuff, you're talking about your subjects, you're talking about how you teach them, and you get to talk to other experts all over the world. Okay? As in all over the world. Madami pong mga teachers from the Philippines na ang kasama dito. Pwede kayong, ayan, it's an online community developed by Intel. You can have discussions. It's a virtual space. Ang wala lang dito, live chat. Pero meron kayong mga groups. Okay? How do you start? Pwede kayong pumunta dito sa website na ito at mag-register. Medyo makulit mag-register, pero pag naka-register na kayo, okay na yun kasi may mga safety eh. The important thing is you take note of the username that you write down plus yung inyong password. Kasi nangyayari yan, hindi nyo na maalala. So write it down. But once you have that, you can take advantage of everything that is offered there. What is offered there? Yan. So how can it support? Pwede kayong gumawa ng training group nyo. Let's say for mapping. Diba? The group here. MAPE training group. And then you invite everybody. And then all your discussions or whatever deadlines, doon yun na-set. Libre. Pwede kayong mag-login doon. Pwede kaming mag-train dyan, mag-deliver, mag-upload, etc. You can also create learning blogs, diba? So that's what is available for free. Yeah, this is how to create a group. But if, kasi we have one that is one unit that's online. So, yung mga interesado, mamaya, kung may free time kayo, pwede namin kayo i-register. Tapos, sir, kung meron kayo gusto ipa-assign ng gumawa ng group for this group, pwede namin pagawa. Yung science group na nagpo-training ngayon sa NISMED, meron na silang ginawa. So, pwede na silang mag-start doon. So, if you'd like to do that also, we can help you do that. Alright. Yeah, no, these are the things that you can do in your group, start a discussion, etc. Blog, etc. Yeah, so meron na kasi yung mga science teachers, etc. Then you can just explore. Next. So yun na yun. That's the one option that's free that you can do. Log in and that's it. You're in. Number 2, what we call the IntelReach webinars. Alright. Ano nga bang webinar? It's a short for web-based seminar. Okay? Tapos, it's a virtual room. Ano virtual room? Ibig sabihin, it's out there somewhere. But it's something like this. Diba? It's just that it's out there on the internet. Now, what did Intel do? Ang ginawa ng Intel kasi, tama. Ito muna, no? Ano ba yung difference ng webinar sa webcast? Essentially, yung webinar kasi pwedeng live event yan. Nag-chat kayo. Yung webcast, parang yung tinatawag ng podcast, it's recorded and then you download it. Diba? So, ito live ito. Yung Intel, ang ginawa nila, bumili sila from Adobe Connect ng a 200-seat virtual room. Ibig sabihin yan, at any one time, pwede silang mag-broadcast to 200 connections. So, ang ibig sabihin nun, pwede itong kwartong to, ilan ba kayo? How many in this group? 200. This is just one connection. So, pwede pang mag-connect yan to another 200 na 200. So, that's what Intel has. And they are offering it for free to anybody who wants to use it. So, if you want to conduct a class or a training via webinar service, you can do this. Sasabihin nyo lang sa amin kung kailan yung schedule para hindi tayo nag-flash dun sa iba pang gusto gumawa ng schedule. Okay. So, how do we use this? We do training this way. We do follow-ups this way. We do meetings this way. Right. Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yung platform mismo, hindi Intel ang gumawa nun, yung Adobe Connect. Pero kung baga nire-rentahan nila itong condominium na to, for the next 10 years kanila yan, pwede nilang ipagamit kahit kanino. So ganito yung itsura ng Intel webinar environment. Off to the left is your camera and voice pod. So nakikita niyo yung speaker, and then makikita niyo may mga pods dyan for sharing. Nakikita yung mga pre-present, etc. Sino ba nakagamit na ng webinar? Anybody? Yan, di ba ma'am? So, you have like hosting. Kung kayo yung host, di ba, you have the right na ikaw lang mag-mic or bibigyan mo sila ng mic rights, etc. Of course, all right, we know the limitations of bandwidth in the Philippines. So, alam natin pwedeng mahina yung connection nyo. So, okay din, dahil may chat to. Actually kami, pag nag-webinar, lalo na sa madaming, sinasabi namin, i-disable nyo na yung camera nyo. Bibigyan na lang namin yung picture namin. Pero kasi mas madali kung pakinggan lang kung mag-chat tayo. But otherwise, kung maganda naman ang connection nyo, like Manila, Cebu, yung mga medyo urban areas, Davao, then we can do everything live. Walang problema. Plus, yun na nga, we encourage na you gather in one group. Kasi isang connection lang kaya, huwag kayong magsabay-sabay. Kasi syempre, pag nagsabay-sabay, maubusan tayo ng 200 seats natin. Alright. So if you're a host, ikaw magmamanage ng lahat nito. You schedule the webinar, you invite the guests by sending them the link, di ba, you upload content, etc. And then, yan ang mga nagagawa ng Zero Center. Next. Pag participant ka, you can view all of this, plus, you can also view this after the event because it is automatically recorded. So yun pa, even if you don't attend, papadala na lang sa inyo yung buong recording. So you can already access that and learn from it. Alright. So the layout, yun na nga, if you have more time later, you can come to us and we can show you the layout on na live sa, because we have a plug-in stick for the internet, right? Alright, ito mga little notes na lang when you're actually doing the thing na, syempre, to be prepared as a teacher, diba, even in your classroom, you have to have your files ready, naka-upload na, hindi yung doon yun lang i-upload, diba, that sort of thing. Other resources you can gain from this site, if you'd like to take note of it. These PowerPoints I'm also very willing to share, so if you'd like to copy them off me, that's not, I can do that. Okay, next. Alright, next, kasi I like to give time for questions just in case. Now these are the courses, yung elements courses na, ito yung latest na curriculum courses ng Intel Philippines. They're called elements because na-inspire sila ng chemical table of elements. Kasi sinasabi nila, itong mga courses na to, you can take them in any order and it will still help you. Yeah, professional development courses, they are already on the net and free, or we can have an arrangement where we give you offline CDs. Okay? So, ano yung una? Project-based approach. So, these are teaching strategies that I'm sure everybody is familiar with already. But these are manualized and there are activities that you might still want to go over and review. So, meron project-based. Yan ang mga modules. Kasi when you go through this online, may kwento yan, may dalawang teachers, nag-discuss sila, kung ano yung tinadaan. Ma'am, gusto mo kayo ng explain? Nag-LMS na po kayo. Medyo nag-LMS lang kayo. Kita niyo na. Oo. So it's a teacher context, tapos dinadaanan nyo, you go through the activities, etc. So happy na kami naman kayo. Mga dumaan. So, alright. Okay, stop right there. Meron tayong, now this is the beginning of what we call a hybrid version. Kasi, okay, dahil libre to and it's already available, you can either take it on your own and not talk to anybody. Diba? Kung independent learning yan, wala na kayong kausap. Kaya-kaya nyo na, aralin nyo paulit-ulit. Or, you can come and join the facilitation classes where you do get to talk to somebody, except you don't talk to them face-to-face. You do it via webinar, or Intel Engage. Kaya, so, like, for example, yung Module 1 and Module 2, pwedeng sa Intel Engage yan i-deliver. Tapos yung Module 3 sa webinar. Tapos, yung Module 4 and 5, Engage ulit. Diba? Tapos yung Module, yung wrap-up, webinar ulit. So that's a possible design, right? But actually, once you go through this and you want to deliver it on your own, you can do any design you want. Kasi sasabihin nyo lang naman sa amin kung kailan yung gusto gamitin. No problem. Okay. So the other courses are assessment in the 21st century classroom. So they tell you, at the end of this, yung project-based kasi, at the end of that, you have an action plan na pwede nyo lang i-implement. Yung assessment, at the end of this, meron na kayong assessment timeline. What sort of assessment you can give and when you will give it. Okay? Ayan, ito yung modules niya. Next. O, yan, pareho yan. So, it's a, di ba, pag tinignan ninyo, 7.5 hours. Pwede kasi yan, you can even do it in less, eh. So, this is just an estimate. Depende talaga sa kakayanan. Kaya hindi rin really requires. Hindi namin sinasabi na you have to complete 7.5 hours. No. As sinasabi namin, this may take you as much as 7.5 or even longer if you want. Pero that's the estimated time. Alright. Okay, so yan mga designs. And then the last one is collaboration in the digital classroom. So you're teaching students how to work with each other. The two other new courses that are not in the slide that are upcoming, fresh, is thinking critically with data, teaching them how to analyze, rationalize, and science inquiry. So meron na ito Pero localize pa lang siya. Ibig sabihin, galing pa sa US and we have to put it into a Philippine context before we have you guys use it. Kasi masyadong foreign pa sa atin yun. Okay, that's it for elements, yes? And then to prove that we actually did this and it worked, we actually did facilitated elements online in 2012.